Look at this sunrise. An intricate process going on inside your eyes and brain right now lets you see it. What is this process? Your eyes are complicated organs with many parts playing a role. You see objects because of a series of steps that involve the structures of the eye and the brain. An eye is a ball an inch across that weighs 1/4 of an ounce. 6 muscles in all turn and rotate it. Light enters the eyeball through the cornea. Along with protecting the eye, the cornea, which is transparent, acts as a lens, bending rays of light as they enter. Each time you blink, your eyelids act like windshield wipers, cleansing and moistening the cornea. Behind the cornea is the iris, which gives the eye its color, from blue and green to brown and black. But the iris has a more important job than providing color. This ring of muscle contracts and expands to change the amount of light that enters the eye. The pupil, the part of the eye that looks black, is a hole through which light enters. In dim light, the iris contracts and the pupil gets bigger to let more light into the eye. What happens in bright light? The iris expands and the pupil gets smaller in bright light.